So we're about to set up a new identity provider, and our identity provider administrator will come in and enter these details. So we need to put a display name, so this is how the organization name will appear when selecting the organization that the user is from. And we'll put in our organization name, the domain for that organization, the URL for their website. Here's our host name for our identity provider. We'll also put in our email address, and that's the email that will send out notifications about the IDP. Our organization type, we'll choose other here since we're doing a demo, and we have two modes, virtual or delegated. So virtual contains the identities inside the IDP. Delegated is where we need to refer off to an external LDAP directory to get that identity information. We'll use virtual in this case. And finally, we just need to enter a description. With all those details entered, we're now ready to go and create our new identity provider. So I've logged into the IDP dashboard now as the administrator. The next thing we need to do is to set up security between the browser and the IDP. So we'll go into certificate chains and create a new certificate chain. I'm just going to paste in the certificates that we've already generated and create our certificate chain. And next we need to go and activate that certificate chain that we've just created. And we're good to go. While we're in the admin console, let's go and set up some simple branding. So we'll create a new branding scheme. I'm just going to call this corporate brand number 1. I'm not going to bother changing the color schemes here, but let's go and choose a logo for our organization. If necessary, you can have a different resolution logo for a mobile device or for a desktop. I'm just going to use the same one for both here. There's our preview, and we'll save that. And then let's go and activate it. Now that a new hosted IDP has been created, I'm going to log in as the administrator and create a new user inside the identity provider. I'll just create this one in the default group, create an invitation. So that's just sent out an email to the address that I put in. That person now needs to go and accept that invitation, and once they've done that, they can then start logging into other services that are connected to the Federation. So the next step is to accept this invitation. Once I click the link in the email here, I'm brought to the user details form where I can go and fill in all the necessary information. Just going to use a different name here so I don't confuse myself. And now my account's set up, I can now go and use those credentials to log in and access Federation services. The final thing we need to do is to get our newly created user to log into a service. I've got two here. The first one uses Rapid Connect. So we'll select our IDP. So there we go, a successful login, showing all our details. The other one, a more traditional method, so we use the AAF validator service here. So once again, we can see all our details that we've set up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.